How to screen share on Discord mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can screen share on Discord mobile. So to do that, first of all, open up the Discord app on your mobile device and then simply go to any server. So for now, I'll simply go over here and then join a random voice channel. Now give permission to your microphone, etc. So simply join a voice call. Now you can do this with a person as well, so all you have to do is simply be in a call. So first of all, what you'll have to do is simply swipe up and then a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to tap on the option share your screen. After that, tap on the option try it out and then tap on the option start broadcast if you are on an iOS device, and after 3 seconds your screen sharing will start. So as you can see, you are currently sharing your screen, and now if you go to your home page and you go to any other apps, your screen will be shared on that Discord call. So if you want to stop sharing, simply go back to Discord, tap on the option stop sharing, and there you have it. So that is basically how you screen share on Discord. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.